bottom?
Yeah.
Dude, there's this one spot right in between all of these trees where I can see them.
They're like right here, right there.
Yeah.
I couldn't get a good shot on him, dude.
I had a perfect
Right
shot.
here.
He would keep his head down. And he figured out the spot, so he kept shooting at me.
Look how far they made it, dude. Hit 20 feet and they're right from this start right there.
Y'all moved up pretty quick.
We were trying
Yeah.
to get the preemptive strike.
I'd say y'all did pretty good.
Well, we technically did because they only got 10 feet each side.
Yeah.
I gotta conserve my paint, dude.
Me too.
Me too.
Alright, well, we gotta go. Let's go this time, dude.
Did we go down the
You're
bottom?
almost out. No, Dino.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, can you put this? Here, just hold my gun. Where's Kevin? Kevin, where'd you go?
What happened?
Are we starting again?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Mitchell, how many guys did you get this time?
I mean,
I
they're all
got
hiding.
3.
He almost got one. Did you get one?
Huh?
Yeah, you got one.
I got somebody?
Yeah, you got one.
Oh, dang, I got somebody, I guess.
He was like,
I'm-
you're out. Remember he was yelling at us?
Dino, how much do you have left?
Oh, you got out?
Watch your video. You'll get it.
Oh, you're lucky. Let's go.
Got a little,
There's a little paint on it?
yeah. I'm gonna watch
No,
that.
it's not bad.
Bonus
Mitchell,
ball,
do you
man.
have any extras?
No. Yeah.
We're gonna have to go up and to the right,
Yeah,
okay?
see?
This time?
Yeah, like
Alright.
we did last game, okay? Remember that?
Yeah.
Before you went out?
So
Guys,
follow where
don't go through there.
We're not going to.
Where are you gonna go? You gonna go right?
We're going this way.
I think
Because
we
that
need to
way
go.
you have
Y'all
no
should all
cover.
spread out, though.
We need to go up this path and then
What
take a
about right
right
there?
and head over that way,
And
okay?
then we can get up, okay?
Right here, this spot right here.
So then
I
we
think
can
I'm gonna
get
go right with it, dude. Agree.
Hey, do you need me to bump up over there on your left?
There's a couple, 2 of them right in front of us, heading right.
They're heading right?
They're walking right. There's the 6 of
I got rear.
6 of them, 7 of them. They're right in front of us. They don't over here.
Alright.
They're all going to your right.
Hey, I'm gonna crawl back.
They saw me.
Watch me. They did? Oh, never mind then.
They're on your right, TJ.
They're on the right. You want me to crawl up?
They're all just walking wide.
You want me to go back a little bit?
I think you might need to.
Alright, I'm gonna crawl. Alright. Justin, they're on the hill back here. Here, I got you. Where's he at? Over the hill? Right over you, dude. On the left. You got him? Nice. What?
There's more in front of us. You go.
How much?
I think they're wrapping now.
Okay, I'm gonna push this way, okay? Justin, I'm gonna push right
How far?
a little bit to that bunker over there, probably.
Is that true?
Yeah. You got me? I'm not gonna push too far from you, all right?
Okay. Hey, we're same team right here. Hey, same team. Same team, same team. Same team. Right here in front. You got him in front and then on to the left.
Hey, guy, you, how many are over here?
How many do That's true. There's a guy back there too.
There's a guy back here still?
On our team. Yeah. No, he's on our team right back there. He said there's 3 to the right trail. That's why he had to leave. They're coming from our right, TJ.
All right, I got you.
Up here?
Hey, there's a couple over here.
Oh, there's.
Hey, they're coming right.
Ah, no.
All right, hey. I'm calling hit. Yeah, there was a guy on the right. I couldn't get him. He was like shooting right at me.
Yeah, me too.
Dang. I was laying down too. I'm like, damn.
I put him in and then. 2 minutes! There's nothing I could do.
Yeah.
Splatter everywhere.
Yeah.
That right there. Listen to that, ref. Brrr. What about it?
I ran out of paint.
How did you get hit? Right in the chest. Right here, right here, right here.
Is it a spider or is it an actual hit? No, I can see it. I see it.
That's it. That's
I
it.
see
Hey,
it.
put your mouth down. My head's still ringing. Oh, you got in the face? Oh, damn.
Is it all orange?
Yeah. I'd touch it, but it's bruised. I know. 30 seconds!
No, it doesn't hurt.
If Kevin was here, we could go ahead and go.
Huh?
If Kevin was here, we could go ahead and go.
Yeah. I was trying to watch back right, I just couldn't do it.
Yeah.
It wasn't up high enough.
We need more paintballs.
He was really far on the right.
Dude, I think we'll have
That guy over there, he was really far on the
I
right.
have some money. We can buy more, but that one's cool.
Look it up.
I was behind a bunker and I went down.
Got what?
And I think my teammate might have shot me.
But if you're low on paint, I got some back at the table.